Have you ever discovered strength you didn't know you had, only when there was no other choice? In a quiet Indian village, two brothers were inseparable. Arjun was 11, lively and quick, and his younger brother Ravi was just 7, always following him like a shadow. They ran through the fields barefoot, climbed trees, and raced each other down dusty lanes. Life was simple, full of laughter. One summer afternoon, as the sun blazed over the village, they sneaked out past the fields. "Catch me if you can!" Arjun shouted, running ahead. Ravi laughed, chasing him with all his might. But in his excitement, Arjun didn't notice the old, dry well hidden behind the tall grass. His foot slipped. Before he could react, he fell in. "Ravi, help!" His voice echoed from the dark pit. Ravi froze. His heart pounded. He could see his brother struggling, trying to keep his head above the water at the bottom. The village was far away. No one could hear them. His small hands shook. Tears filled his eyes. But then, near the edge of the well, he saw an old rope tied to a broken bucket. Without thinking, Ravi grabbed it, threw it down, and shouted, "Hold on, Bhaiya! Don't let go!" Arjun caught the rope, but the real battle began. Ravi's tiny body trembled as he pulled. His arms burned, his legs dug into the mud, his bare feet slipping. "I won't let go! I won't let go!" He kept repeating as if saying it gave him strength. The rope slipped, his palms blistered, but he pulled again. His face red, breath ragged. For a moment it felt impossible. But with one last desperate heave, Arjun's hand touched the ground. Ravi screamed and pulled with everything left inside him, until finally his brother tumbled out. Both collapsed on the grass, soaked, panting, eyes wide in shock. Then they hugged each other tightly, sobbing. "You saved me," Arjun whispered. "Of course," Ravi said, wiping his tears. "Who else will I play with if you're gone?" Later, when they told the villagers, no one believed them. A 7-year-old pulling out an 11-year-old? Impossible, people laughed. But then the village elder Dadaji stepped forward. His voice was calm but firm. "You all are asking the wrong question," he said. "The question is not how he did it, but why he could do it." Everyone fell silent. Dadaji continued. "Because at that moment, no one told him he was too small. No one said he was too weak. There was no one around to plant doubt in his mind, not even himself. And so, he simply became strong enough." The crowd grew quiet. The laughter faded. Everyone looked at the little boy differently. They realized the truth. Sometimes strength is not in our muscles, but in our belief. The moral of the story is simple. The only limits we truly have are the ones we believe in. Doubt is what makes us weak. Belief is what makes us strong. When no one tells you that you can't, you will discover that you can. If this story touched your heart, remember, you are stronger than you think. Like this video if it inspired you. Subscribe to English with Stories for more motivational stories in simple English. And share this with someone who needs to be reminded of their inner strength today. May you always believe in yourself. Stay hopeful, stay strong, and keep moving forward.